Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to withdraw cash ATM in Cambodia. Now I'm in Siem Reap and found Canada Bank ATM, so let's try withdrawal. So this is all about how to withdraw cash. Of course you need a cash card, but it's very easy way, so take a look. First, insert your card to ATM. Second, choose language. You can choose in Khmer, English, and Chinese. Now I'm choosing English. Number 3, enter your PIN number. Enter your 4 numbers to this console. Number 4, select Cash Withdrawal. If your PIN number accepts, you will see some menus. But now we're going to just withdraw, so select Cash Withdrawal. Number 5. Select currency, the USD. So Cambodia using the 2 currencies, US dollar and Cambodian Riel. Mainly using the US dollar, so choose US dollar is the best. And number 6, enter amount cash. How many amount of US dollar cash you want? Enter as you want amount cash in this console. Now I'm entering 150 US dollar. Push confirm. Would you like a receipt for this transaction? Now I choose yes. Please wait. Okay. Number 7, you got a cash. Let's check the cash amount is correctly 150. Okay. Now I'm gonna finish withdrawal, so push the no button. And don't forget about pick up your cash cards from the ATM here. So this is how to withdraw the cash from the Cambodian ATM. So thank you for watching and have a good travel. See you next video.